Hey, Lily. Come play. What do you want to play with? You want to play with your toys? Do you want to practice walking? Do you want to practice walking, Lily? Come here. Want to practice? Both hands, both hands. Is that fun? Where are we going? Where are you going? Where are you going? There's Papa. You want to walk with one hand? Can you hold on to one hand and walk? Oh, on the floor. There's your water cup. Yeah. You have to take a water break. You want to walk some more? Yeah. Throw that. Okay, let's walk some more. Oh, can we bring it with us? Okay, let's bring that with us. Oh, drinking and walking. We're talented. So talented. What's Papa doing? You want to come to Mama? Yeah? Want your water cup? You want to come to Mama? Lily, do you want to walk to Mama? Come here. Come here. What happened? What happened, Grumpy? Oh my gosh, are you mad? Here, come here. Are you mad? What is that all about? Whoa, sorry, Lily. Whoop, there we go.
He let you wants to look outside.
Oh, music. Yeah. Do you want me to have more music? You have to push the button. More music. You have to push this button if you want music. What? I don't know what you want, honey.